Hi, Mark Heath here, and welcome to this second module in the More Effective Link course, where we'll be learning all about how you can start thinking in patterns. In the last module, I said that one of the reasons LINQ is so awesome is that it helps you out whenever you're working with lists or sequences of data. But for many C# programmers, our first instinct is to create a for or a for each loop to process the elements in the collection, simply because that's what's the most familiar to us. And so it's possible to miss many of the places in which a LINQ could simplify our code. Now, there's many common patterns that emerge when we're working with collections of objects, and it's these patterns that LINQ can help us with. So what we need to do is to train ourselves to spot these repeating patterns that crop up again and again in our day-to-day coding. And once we've learned to see these patterns, we can start refactoring our code from what's called an imperative style into a more declarative style thanks to LINQ. And what we mean by those terms is that declarative code expresses what we want to do, while imperative code says how it should be done. And so, by moving the implementation details out of the way, declarative code has the benefit of being a lot more succinct and readable, and can express our intent much more clearly. So in this module, I'll be showing you plenty of examples of imperative code, and I want you to see if you can guess which of the LINQ extension methods can help us to simplify it, before I reveal the answer. So let's get started, but before we go any further, let me introduce our first LINQ challenge, which I want you to try to solve, and then I'll be revealing the way I solved it with LINQ at the end of this module.